Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of the unbelievable with 10 mind-blowing facts that will leave you absolutely speechless. So, get ready to have your mind blown and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing content. Fact number 1. Did you know that your heart could power a truck? That's right. The human heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood 30 feet, and it generates enough energy in one day to drive a truck for 20 miles. Fact number 2. Bananas are radioactive. They contained potassium-40, a radioactive isotope. But don't worry, you'd need to eat around 10 million bananas at once to get a harmful dose of radiation. Fact number 3. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Plus, their blood is blue due to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin. Fact number 4. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Fact number 5. The Eiffel Tower can grow. Due to thermal expansion, the iron structure can be up to 6 inches taller during the summer than in the winter. Fact number 6. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete a rotation on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Fact number 7. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is the farthest human-made object from Earth. It's over 14 billion miles away and still sending back data. Fact number 8. Trees can talk to each other. Through underground networks of fungi, trees share nutrients and even warn each other of dangers like insect infestations. Fact number 9. Despite popular belief, the Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye. It's actually quite narrow and blends into the natural landscape. Fact number 10. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. While we're obviously